Hey there, I'm Leslie, co-founder of Newsletter Glue, a WordPress plugin that connects your email service provider and lets you build and send newsletters from WordPress. Right now, you're looking at one of our email templates. Over here, you can customize the email template, click Update, and then preview your newsletter in desktop, mobile, and even email HTML. So let's dive into what makes our email templates. They're made of a combination of core Gutenberg blocks, which come default with every block editor, as well as some of our own Newsletter Glue custom newsletter blocks. Over here, you can see that this top header section is inside one of our Newsletter Glue container blocks. And here it's easy to change background color and add a bunch of different options as well. And over here, reading time and read online link, that's auto-generated with our newsletter metadata block. Below is something that is one of our more popular blocks. This is our post embed block, and it's easy to embed new links. And they just kind of come up in the same format that you've already customized. But let's say we want to change it up a little bit. So we can change the table width ratio. Everything is auto-generated as well as live editable. So, hey, this is a live edit. So I've talked briefly about some of the custom newsletter blocks available in this particular template. But if you'd like to pull up all of our newsletter blocks, you can simply type /ng and you'll see all of the different newsletter blocks that we've made for you. And you can just add them and have fun playing around with them. And the last thing I want to mention is we have a whole bunch of newsletter patterns which you're able to add and try out for yourself. So here are our header patterns and here are the footer patterns. So in our case, let's add this one. I'm just gonna make this full width and let's remove this footer. Okay, so if you're happy with how this looks, you can click Update and preview your newsletter. And that's the end of our tiny template tour. If you'd like to use this template or any of the others in our template library and save yourself an hour or more per newsletter you write, click on Get Started and try out Newsletter Glue today.